The One Studio developed a new portable model, 60-watt zoom mini LED profile spotlight. Small size, lightweight, portable to carry and install. Choosing inputted LED lamp. Low power but high brightness and high CRI. It is zoomed from 20 to 35 degree. Can be zoomed by DMX controller or by hand. It has 4 pieces of shutter leaf. Can make the perfect blackout with a different shape, such as semicircular, square, triangle, and so on. And we use high-quality optics for crisp, clearly image, no blur and erase uniformity, and natural light for 3200K and 5600K. The strobe is 1 to 25 times per second. We use a digital display, easy to control. What's more, it also can show different Gobo or logo. Clients can use their own logo. For the light body, we use durable die-casting aluminum case, high-end and perfect. Also, it is very silent with no noise fan. Very suitable using for museum, restaurant, children theater, gallery,